आज हमारे साथ सीनियर पॉलिटिकल जर्नलिस्ट कल्याणी शंकर मैम इज देयर. So today we are going to discuss about the Bengal politics and after the election now BJP has zeroed down with the Subhendu Adhikari. So do you think he will be able to deliver the promises made by the BJP, although he is going to be supported by the two deputy CEO?
So, well, he has a blessing, something like a man. BJP High Command, Amit Shah and Modi also. So two of them will give him what they need funds, no, nothing else. So whatever promise they promised and they have to give. It is Amit Shah and Modi, they had also promised so many things. So I think they will have to support him, and I think they will support him because of their support, and everybody in the party know that they bless him. So I think he will be able to survive because he has survived from TMC coming to BJP
And he defeated.
He defeated Mamata Banerjee.
Both in Nandigram and Bhawanipur.
Yeah. So it's I think he will be able to manage.
Are you sure of his victory from Bhawanipur? Because that was a very 50-50 kind of situation. No journalist was able to predict that he will be able to win or not. It's like an unpredictable situation. But this guy used to look very sure of himself.
Oh, yeah, he announced also after the fourth round. He said, "I will get all of it."
He has a full calculation. He has a full
And
calculation.
he was announcing it to television anyway. And also the other thing is that he has defeated Mamata twice. He is a giant killer, and he had learned the tricks of the trade from Mamata. Because he was in TMC earlier. So he has learned whatever he could from her also. He knew the weaknesses and strengths of the
Mamata. And her move, he can predict her move.
So he has that capacity. Whereas Mamata didn't have the capacity to predict how BJP will do. So Hindu is not only Sweden, he is also the BJP.
Okay.
He is the face of the BJP. So I think she has that disadvantage. And the election itself, I think most of us thought Mamata will manage. Maybe a slender majority,
Yes.
but then she will win. But I don't know what happened, and the people are saying all kinds of things. But anyway, one vote more is also showing you as one. So there is many more votes. So that is lucky that he's become the chief minister. And even before the election, I think Amit Shah was announced that he would be. They projected him as the BJP's chief ministerial.
Not, formally, but informally you mean to say that. Because formally there is no news in that. There is one question. People were expecting a female face. So somewhere people has given a chance to the Rupa Ganguly. Now Rupa Ganguly, instead of Rupa Ganguly, some new face has come. So as a deputy CM. So how you think that Rupa Ganguly might be thinking of what this is a senior one.
Rupa Ganguly is a film actress, and you can't expect every film actress to be very good in administration. She has had no experience in administration. So that is one reason that even if they had made her the chief minister, it would have been really difficult. And even sometimes that you need a
Strong face.
And somebody who could take everybody. So that kind of person they didn't have. So apart from Subhendu, where is the other team? Dilip Ghosh was the sideline.
Do you think the border issue with the Bangladesh will be able to resolve by the Subhendu or can be addressed by him properly? What BJP is expecting?
See, border issue has been the problem for many years, and different chief ministers had tried to sort out, and they couldn't put the fencing also all around. And it's a very porous border between Bengal and Bangladesh. So people could go from there and here and from here to there. So that is the reason that they are not able to control the thing. But another problem was the land border issue. I think the BJP managed it with Mamata, whereas Manmohan Singh But after Modi came, then they somehow managed it. So that was one problem solved by Mamata. But there are many other issues. You know, that they will need the support of the center.
Like industrialization, which is very much promised by the BJP. So industrialization, what do you think? Who might be interested right now in Bengal, and at the same time, what are the offers will be given by the government?
Well, you see, if you give good benefits, then you know that other people from foreign also they will come. Even I remember, even Jyoti Basu came to the United States to seek investment. So investment is something which
Everyone needs.
So if he want, I don't know how good Suvendu will be, but then if he gets the central support, and then if he is able to give the land at that concessionary, then locate the places, and then you know the industrial corridor, all that. If he is able to do that in the next 5 years, then of course he will succeed in that respect. You see, because they think that the problem is the labor. You know that they are communized at the time, and then they go on strike anytime they want. And all those things were there. So that is why it was a little difficult. Now, let's see how it works out soon.
Achha ma'am, what role you are seeing for Dr. Shapan Das Gupta, someone from the media fraternity has won the election from Rajneet Rajneet. So, what role you are seeing? You are seeing any ministerial work for him? What area he may be fit for?
He is a good friend. He is very, very capable. He is an intellectual. And he comes at that level. So he could be given education or something like that. So
Culture, because it's talked about some cultural change, face upliftment near the Kali Ghat and other area.
So he was putting very well. Hope they give him now.
Education or culture. Apart from home ministry is the next hot seat after CM. So do you think like Mamata Suvendu will keep it under control, or we will have some individual independent home minister from Bengal?
Bengal will be monitored by Amit Shah more than anything else. Okay.
That is something new.
So they will not let him go astray. They will keep it under check, and then they will try to work out a proper scheme.
Some soft.
Something like that.